All right, hello, eighth grade. It is Tuesday night, April 14th. You're going to get this video and assignment out to you guys tonight. It's not going to be due till Friday, but I got some free time tonight, so I want to get it to you. Coming from a different room in the house tonight. We're down in the Husker Man Cave, so I got a couple things there behind you, as you can see. I hope you guys are doing well, though. Things have been going really good in class. I've been really, really happy with how everything has gone. So I hope you guys are happy with how things are going as well. Okay. Hopefully the weather gets nice and it's not cold out anymore and you guys can get out and enjoy stuff. It does suck that we have to be like this for the rest of the school year. I tell you, I know it's tough on you guys as kids and it's tough on teachers. You know, we get into the profession because we want to be around young people. And so, want to be around young people. That's what we do. So today we're moving on to lesson 85 with volume of a cylinder. So lesson 85 has two parts. It's volume of a cylinder and volume of a triangular prism, or not volume, surface area of a cylinder and surface area of a triangular prism. We're going to break it up into two parts and just focus on the cylinder in this lesson, okay? So the first part I have here is I have review of finding the volume of a cylinder with the formula pi r squared times the height, or the area of the circle times by how tall the cylinder is, okay? This is a review, so pi times 3 squared times 8, pi times 9 times 8, because 3 squared is 9, pi times 72, 9 times 8, 72, and I got 226.19. And remember that volume is in units cubed, okay? Again, that's review. We're doing surface area today. So volume is how much you fit inside. Okay, here would be a cylinder, a Lysol can. Okay, the cylinder, the volume is the area of the circle times by the height, and that's how much fits inside the Lysol can. Okay, we're going to surface area, which surface area is made up of two circles in a rectangle. So it's made up of the bottom circle, it's made up of the top circle, and then the rectangle is actually the body, okay? Here's a piece of paper, okay? A piece of paper that I've rolled up into a cylinder, okay? It's got a bottom circle, and it's got the top circle. And if I were to cut this open, it would unfold into a rectangle perfectly, okay? So here's my rectangle, and if I fold this up, that's a cylinder, okay? So a cylinder is two circles, the top, the bottom, and then the body is the rectangle, okay? So as you can see here, circle, circle, top, bottom, and then the body, the rectangle. Okay? So the surface area, we're finding the area. So we're taking like how much does it take to wrap this thing all the way? The bottom, the top, the whole body. What do we take to wrap it? Herbie, do you want to say hi? Herbie. Herb, you want to say hi to the kids? Oh, you want to give me a kiss? Okay. Herbie says hi. He must. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Whoa. Okay. 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 Herb says hi. He likes to give kisses. Okay, so we have the area of the top circle, the area of the bottom. Herbie's going to be in the background for the whole video, maybe. Lay on the couch, okay? And then we have the body. So the body is the height, so the height of the rectangle. And then what would be the width? Well, the width is the circumference of the circle, which is pi times diameter, okay? So the width of it is the circumference of the circle. The height is what's given. Okay. So to find the surface area of this, we take 9 pi plus 9 pi. Where did I get 9 pi? Well, that's the area of the circle. Back up here, they gave me the radius, which was 3. And the area of a circle is pi r squared. So 3 squared is 9. 9 times pi, 9 times pi. The bottom and the top are all going to be the same. Okay. They're all going to be the same for the areas, okay? Yeah. Tell the kids hi. Yes, thank you. Okay. We got to teach now, buddy. Okay. Now, then down here, the rectangle, okay? There's the height they gave us right here, 8. Now, how did I get 6 pi? Well, that's the circumference, because circumference is diameter times pi. And if the radius is 3, thus the diameter is 6, so 6 pi. So then 6 pi times 8 is 48 pi. So I did 9 pi plus 9 pi plus 48 pi. I got 66 pi, or 18 pi plus 48 pi, because I just keep 1 pi, add up all the numbers. I get 66 pi 66 times pi is 207.35. And since it's surface area, it'd be units squared. Okay? So a lot of stuff there in this. This is a really good one to watch if you really, really need to explain how to do this first part here. Okay? So let's go up to the next part. Okay, our next example. Okay? So I'm finding the volume and the surface area, just like you're going to have to on your homework. There's 9 questions on the homework. You have to find the volume, which is review, and then surface area. So here's volume. I'm just going to be quick with it. Pi times radius squared times the height. Okay. And I made a mistake here. Okay, in this one, and I'm just now catching it. Should not be pi times 5 squared. It should be pi times 6 squared. So it'd be pi times 6 squared, which is 36. So 36 times 10 would be 360, and then 360 times pi would be 100, so it would be 1,130.97. So this volume is wrong, okay? Should be this. And this whole problem is actually wrong, okay? So we're going to fix this as we go here. So this would be good if you pay attention. So this should not be 5 squared. What should this be? Should be 6 squared because the diameter was 6, or the diameter is 12, so the radius should be 6, okay? So 6 squared pi plus 6 squared pi, okay? So this should be 6 squared pi, not 5 squared, okay? I made a mistake. 120 pi, that's correct. The height times the diameter times pi, the circumference, okay? So this should be 6 squared, not that. So this 50 pi is going to change to 36 plus 36, which is 72, and 72 plus 120 is 192. So our answer is actually 192 pi, 192 pi. So 192 times pi is really 603.19, okay? So I made a mistake. The diameter is 12. The radius should be 6 squared, okay? So take the area of the 2 circles and we add it to the rectangle, okay? So this last example will be better. Okay, sorry I got off on that one. Mistakes do happen, and instead of going back and redoing it, I'm just going to work through it with you guys. Okay, all right, so last example here. There's the volume. We're good on it. Okay, surface area. Have to find the area of the 2 circles. Remember, the 2 circles would be the bottom, and they'd be the top. Okay, so 10 squared is 100, 100 times pi plus 100 times pi. Those are the 2 circles. The bottom and the top, plus now the rectangle. Remember the rectangle? Okay, we have the body of the rectangle, the height of it, which is 3 right here, and then the diameter times pi, or the circumference of the circle. So if the radius is 10, the circumference would be 20. So we got 20 pi. It's going to be right here. 20 times 3 is 60 pi. So I do 100 plus 60. I get 260 pi. Multiply that, I get that right there. Okay? Look at example 3 here. And then go back and look at example 1. Skip example 2 since I made the mistake there. Okay? And then this right here. Okay? So I'm going to attach my video, and I'm going to attach another video, guys, just so you guys can see how to do it. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me. All right? Have a good day, guys.